everybody? Brent from Brent Speed. Thanks so much for watching Brent Speed TV. Today, check this out. Awesome bone stock 2020 GT manual transmission running 93 octane. We installed the ROUSH Phase 2 Supercharger. This bad boy lays down over 700 rural horsepower. We are going to watch a dyno pull. A lot of you wonder, what does this make? Put it on a stock car. We're going to talk more about it. But hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us up to date. I got Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, a couple things before we go down and take a look. If you wonder what does this cost to get installed, we are located in Indiana. Simply email quote@brentspeed.com. We keep these superchargers in stock. We can also ship them right to your door at brentspeed.com. But Doug, come down here, take a look. It's the ROUSH. It's the TVS 2650 supercharger, straight bolt-on kit. They advertise this about 750 flywheel horsepower. We lay down over 700 at the rear wheels. Car still strapped down. We are going to watch that dyno pull, but this is a really sweet setup. We have a lot of other options. I will put a link in the description of this blower and some of the other parts, like in the future. Like let's say you put this on, and maybe you're like, what else should I do? It's like cooling mods, some supporting mods. There's a lot of other things I like to do to a build like this. But hey, 93 octane manual ROUSH blower, laying down at 700 to the tires. It's sick. Watch this dyno pull. All right, before we go back over and look at the car, and I want to tell you a couple more bits of info. You have an 18 nut Mustang looking to put a supercharger on. Look at these numbers. Dynojet SAE, rural horsepower 708 at 6800. That is killer. Torque 573 at 5300. And typically with stock tires, you have to get into the throttle really slow. So what happens is we can go wide open throttle. By about 4,500, the tires won't spin on the dyno. That's why you see that boost right there. If you look up here, Doug, that's why you see the power start to go up as well. But on the street, banging through the gears, that's not the case. You're either hooking or you're spinning. But sometimes with the ROUSH, we have to do that on the dyno. But this car only has 11,000 miles. 2020, if you watch a lot of my videos, like looking at this car right here, looking at the wheels, this is right up my alley. I love this thing. And sometimes you ask, hey, I just bought a brand new S550. How many miles do I need to get on this before I install a supercharger? Answer is, you can just put it on. So if you think about this, you go to a ROUSH dealership, buy a brand new Mustang, ROUSH supercharged, it has no miles on it, or GT500, they have no miles on it. So you can put one of these on your car with no miles, 100 miles, or like this car right here, 11,000 miles. This thing's sick. What would I do in the future? If I had a car like this, I got the blower on there, I got the Phase 2 kit, I'm laying down killer power. Well, maybe some drag radials would be cool. I think an upgraded drive shaft would be awesome. Get rid of that two-piece, do an upgraded drive shaft, and then like some cooling mods, or rear cylinder cooling kit, cooler thermostat, set a bill of oil pump gears, and just enjoy this ride. So hey, I'm Brent. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Happy to answer. Doug, check this out. This car is freaking awesome. And then at the end here, I'm gonna put a link so you can watch a lot of their videos on ROUSH Supercharged S550 Mustangs. It's really cool to watch all those. Thanks for watching. Oh, one last thing before I'm done for the day. You come in here, come in for an install, or maybe you're installing this. Look at this, MRT hood struts. How sweet is this to eliminate the prop rod, and it makes our filming life a lot easier. No prop rod right over going on here. We have that right there. Thanks for watching.